Do I look spooky? Hi everybody, welcome to Milk Out Farms. It's a beautiful day here on the farm. Actually, I'm not on our farm. I'm over at the dairy with Jared. Well, I'm not with Jared yet. He's probably milking or doing something like that. But at this point, I'm getting ready to help them pour, I think, 100 yards of concrete. And they're saying we're gonna do it in the morning before 12 o'clock. It's 5 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse. Let's check this out, all right? Can you guys say hi? That's all you got? You get nervous talking to people on the camera?
No, I don't.
You don't?
Look,
Cool.
Look, we're pouring concrete today, and everybody's here, and it's got a good sitting on.
They're doing a really good job. These are hard-working fellas.
Lud.
What'd you call me? Lud? You call me Lud? do you think, buddy?
Kevin Connor.
What's up?
What you think, bud? Say hi to Kevin.
Kevin Connor.
Yeah.
Your
Damian
eyeball.
Connor. Yeah, I got something in my eyeball.
Is his name Kevin Connor?
Is your heart
Is your name Bo? Is your name Bo?
I don't eat lunch.
Just give my
Grandma.
big shout out.
Grandma.
Grandma.
Get them,
Well, I
Grandma.
gotta go give Grandma a call and see if she's behaving.
There's your big head. Look, I see that big old head of yours.
Is that Bo Child?
Big old head. Right here, buddy. Got your name all over it.
You lied.
You're the.
You love that, don't you?
This is Kevin.
That's Kevin.
This is Kevin. Kevin Sports.
Kevin Lund.
Kevin Sports.
Sports and Trooper.